Just when we were all laser-focused on the shiny new Mavic 4 Pro, DJI pulls a sneaky one. Again, while that flagship grabs headlines for its pro-level features and sky-high performance, something else is brewing under the radar, the DJI Air 4. It didn't come with a press release, no teasers, just a leaked image from a prototype crash site. That's right, a battered but very real glimpse of what could be DJI's next big mid-range drone. It's not official yet, but the drone world is buzzing. And if this leak is even half accurate, the Air 4 could be the biggest leap the Air lineup has ever seen. Let's give credit where it's due. Leaker Jasper Ellens dropped the first real breadcrumbs. The drone in the leaked image might have hit the ground hard, but it still revealed plenty. First, the design screams Mavic 4 DNA. There's a familiar look to the top layout. 2 forward sensors, a center LED light, and a more serious, symmetrical design. It's almost like DJI is blending the lines between their pro and mid-tier lines. It's not just aesthetic either. That LED and those sensors might hint at a new navigation system, possibly smarter, faster, and safer. Could it be LiDAR? That's the hot rumor, and if true, it's a major win for low-light and complex obstacle environments. Now this is where things get spicy. Unlike the Air 3's corner-mounted wide-angle sensors, this prototype shows a brand new front sensor block. People are throwing around terms like LR system, and some even whispering light LiDAR. That might sound futuristic, but here's the logic. DJI has always trickled down its premium tech. If even a simplified version of LiDAR lands in the Air 4, obstacle avoidance could get a massive upgrade without needing a Mavic Pro price tag. And don't ignore those thickened arms on the drone, not just a flex. They likely point to better wind resistance, possibly more powerful motors, or even a bigger battery. Think longer flights, smoother handling, and better endurance overall. So what's DJI up to? It looks like they're giving the airline a major glow up, closing the gap with the Mavic series without stepping on its toes. The Air 4 isn't looking light anymore. It's shaping up to be a sweet spot. Big features, smarter price. Think of it like this. If the Mavic 4 Pro is for pros, the Air 4 could be perfect for creators and travelers who want most of the power without the full price. DJI's move, give you more than expected, but just enough to keep you eyeing the next upgrade. Here's the frustrating part. There's still no clear look at the camera module. That could mean DJI's still tweaking it, or saving the big reveal. Some hopeful rumors suggest 6K video, a mechanical shutter, or better low-light performance. Sounds great, but it's too early to celebrate. On flight time, expect a modest bump over the Air 3 DJI adds minutes each year. Software-wise, smart modes and subject tracking are a given. Hopefully faster and sharper this round. But keep in mind, it's still prototype phase, and DJI often tests multiple versions before locking one in. So when does this bird take flight? Based on leaks and DJI's usual pace, late 2025, likely Q4 is the best guess. Price-wise, expect $1,199 to $1,299, just above the Air 3, but still well below the Mavic 4 Pro. With plenty of upgrades. Should you wait? If your Air 3's doing fine, no rush. But if you're eyeing an upgrade or ready to jump into DJI, it might be smart to hold off. What's coming looks worth it. Now it's your turn. Are the Air 4 leaks enough to make this your next drone, or are you holding out for something bigger? Drop a comment. DJI just drop a surprise on us. The Mini 5 Pro is popping up earlier than expected, and it's packed with some serious upgrades. We're talking a bigger battery, a possible camera boost, and even LiDAR sensors, all under that magic 250-gram weight. If you're into drones or curious about the next leap in compact aerial tech, stick around. This leak roundup is worth your attention. Let's start with the camera, because let's face it, for most drone users, that's the real heart of the device. Word on the street is that the Mini 5 Pro could be sporting a new 1-inch sensor. That's a significant bump up from the Mini 4 Pro and would drastically improve image quality, especially in low light conditions or for those early sunrise flights. But the upgrades don't stop there. The design looks refined too, with vented motors that could offer better cooling and more stable flight performance. It's subtle but promising, especially for those longer shoots where overheating and drift can become issues. Now, here's where things start to get really futuristic. Leaked images suggest the Mini 5 Pro might be rocking forward-facing LiDAR sensors. Yes, LiDAR. That means smarter obstacle detection, more accurate terrain mapping, and a serious edge when flying in complex environments. Imagine zipping your drone through a forest or a canyon with greater confidence and safety. This feature could be a major turning point for DJI's Mini series, turning it from just a casual camera drone into something way more professional and capable. What's powering all this cool new tech? A battery that's reportedly rated at 4,680 mAh with 33.5 watt-hours, a substantial jump from the previous Mini 4 Pro's pack. That means more flight time, longer sessions, and just less worry about your battery tapping out when you're in the middle of that perfect golden hour shot. Even more impressive is the rumored 65-watt charging support. For a drone this size, that's pretty fast. Plus, we could be seeing OcuSync O4+ for video transmission, which is DJI's latest and most stable tech. That translates to better live feeds, longer range, and overall smoother performance, which is a dream for creators who rely on real-time visuals. Okay, let's talk about prices. With all these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to start around $899. That's roughly $140 more than the Mini 4 Pro, which currently sits at about $759. But when you consider what you're getting, a larger sensor, LiDAR, extended battery life, advanced transmission, and more, that bump seems pretty reasonable. DJI has always walked the fine line between consumer affordability and pro-level performance, and the Mini 5 Pro feels like it's leaning hard into pro territory while still being accessible. It may not be cheap, but for serious drone enthusiasts or creators, it could be an ideal middle ground. Now, timing is everything, and this might be the best news of all. Based on a recent FCC filing, it looks like the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be launching much sooner than anyone expected. If you follow DJI, you know FCC filings usually mean a release is just around the corner, sometimes just a few weeks out. So instead of waiting until September or the holiday season, we might be seeing this drone hit shelves very soon. Maybe even alongside the rumored Osmo Action 6 Pro if DJI decides to do a surprise dual launch. Either way, it feels like something big is coming. That's everything we know or can guess about the DJI Mini 5 Pro so far. If even half of it's true, this could be the biggest Mini upgrade yet. What do you think? Is LiDAR worth the hype? Will the price be a deal breaker or a smart move? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the launch and full review.